Hi everyone, I am Dhanraj from Maharashtra. I completed BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Sharda Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Maharashtra. After completing BTech, I want to build my career in core domain. That's why I am searching for an institute which is providing core domain skills. In that during time, I got to know the Emertxe is the best place where I can build my career. That's why I choose Emertxe. Here I learn all skills from basic like C programming, then C++, data structure, Linux internals, and shell scripting related some basic skills I learned. Here almost I done 10 projects. These projects are helping me to build my career in core domain, and these projects given me all the basic concept knowledge and up to advanced level knowledge. That's helped me a lot. The Emerging mentors are full supportive, and their support is fully excellent, and their course syllabus and everything lab sessions are also excellent. That's why I would like to recommend it to you all guys to join Emerging to build your career in core domain. Because of this all mentor support and Emerging support, I got placed in Inomind software. Thank you.